Today's episode is called Cloud Dough.
Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with you a fun cloud dough recipe that I found with my mommy. All you need are 2 ingredients, lotion and cornstarch, and you just mix them together. First you're going to put in your lotion, then you can add your food coloring to it, whatever color you'd like, and then cornstarch. With cornstarch, I recommend adding a little bit at a time and seeing how the dough is, because if you add too much, it's going to be too flaky and then it won't come together very well. So follow me as I make a couple different colors because I absolutely loved making this fun Play-Doh and then playing with it. Once you mix all the ingredients together, you're really going to want to work and play with the dough as much as you can for at least 5 minutes for it to all come together. And that's probably one of the more fun parts, besides just playing with it afterwards, is getting to knead the dough. And just because this is so much fun, I'm also going to make a red one. Did you know that Play-Doh was originally made in the 1930s as a wallpaper cleaner? How weird is that? And then like 20 years later, they decided to make it for kids as Play-Doh. How weird. And why not? Let's do a green one too. And now that we've made a couple different colors of the cloud dough, just have fun with it. I know I will. If you want for it to last a little bit longer, I recommend putting it in either an airtight container or wrapping it in saran wrap and putting it in something like a Ziploc bag for it to stay moist and playable as long as it can. Thanks again for joining me today, and I will see everyone soon.
Hey everybody, click the subscribe button down here to get updates on our new videos. See you soon.
Munchkin. This is the Munchkin world. Yeah, it's the Munchkin world. You're watching now the Munchkin world. Today